heart speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back. This is the second part of this how to use Google app to navigate. Okay, so if you have not watched the first part of this tutorial, check the description below. You're going to see the first part and then follow through now. You can see this pencil icon below. This pencil icon is if I want to edit again. Okay, if for example I observe, so no, I want to remove this style that I added to this application letter. I want to remove to do. I'll come here, click on this pen. I'll click on this pen icon below. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, it will open up to my formatting interface. Okay, after changing everything, I can then let me, for example, let me change this. Okay, let me change it to something else. So once you are through, you click here again. So that is it. So once you are through, can you see up here is showing saving? Do you observe what is happening now? It's showing what? Saving. So that is a good thing. That is a good thing. Anything that you did on doc or even on drive, it will save it. And remember, it is saving it into your drive. Okay, because I've explained to you that doc is inside drive. Okay, doc is inside drive, so it's saving. So I can click on this untitled document if I want to change name, if I want to give it a name, that so that anytime I want to open it, I'll look out for that name. I'll come here, click on it, I'll click on the name, then I can say okay, I want it to be application letter, and then or I can decide to change it to anything, or let me say application testing. I'll click OK. Can you see now that name that I've changed it? Can you see now it has appeared here? So once you are through, you go back. I'll go back. Okay, it's still changing. Okay, so that is it. So once or two you go back, so can you see here, these are files that were shared with me. So if I go back again now, click here, go back again, you're going to see more files that were shared with me. Okay, then on top of here you can see that word we just saved. Now can you see application testing? That is what I used to save it. Okay, so guys, that is it. Okay, so if you click on these three dots now, if you click on these three dots, you're going to see all these things that are here are under recent. Okay, so if for example somebody shared a file to you, for example now, if for example now this particular letter that I've written down, I say okay, I want to share it to a friend, I can decide to come here, click on these three dots, click on the three dots. Can you see a lot of things that were opened? I can decide to, if I want to start the file, I click on add to start. If I want to share it, I click on share. Okay, I'll just click on share. Then can you see what's happening now? It's not ask me to add people or group. Okay, then under this add people, what you're going to add is their email address. Okay, you're going to share it to their email address. Okay, remember when we are opening this doc.google, we were asked to open with email. I opened it with email. Okay, so if for example now I decided to add my email address so that I can share the file to my email address. Okay, let me assume my email address, this my email address now is your friend. Okay, because the email address I used to log into the doc where I wrote down the applications testing and all that is a very different email address. So let me use this different email address so that it will just assume that that is your friend's email address. Okay, so under here now, it will not ask you, do you want that your friend to be an editor? Okay, this is just a permission you are giving to whosoever you are sharing that document. It's okay, this is just like let's say you're working with your team, okay, and one person creates something, and then after creating it you now upload it, and maybe let's say you people are three, and you say okay, this particular person is my assistant. I want to give her permission to edit some stuffs. Okay, I can edit some stuffs, either I or him that will edit it. Then other teams are not permitted to edit stuffs on this particular document, but rather they are permitted to comment, or maybe they are permitted to just view. Okay, when they are permitted to just view, they are just to read it. After reading it, they are not going to see space to write anything. If they want to say anything, they have to call the person and then talk whatsoever thing they want to say. Okay, but if they were given permission to edit, that means they can open that file and edit the file, make corrections. Okay, so this email address now that I've added, I can say okay, I want this email address to have permission to edit. So I want him to be an editor, I'll leave it as it were editor. But if I want it to be another thing, I click on this arrow here. You can see if I want the person to be a commenter, okay, commenter is if for example now when the person opens the document and now observe some certain thing, maybe a mistakes or one thing or the other, the person can comment it down. Okay, in any particular sentence, okay, there's a mistake here, okay, this thing should be this, the person will comment it down. All the things that he or she commented, I myself will be able to see it because I am the owner. Okay, I have the right to edit, I have the right to accept, I have the right to do a lot of things. So I'm going to show you all these things now. This is just one of the things Google helps us to do. It helps us to collaborate. Okay, that is why we say that Google apps made easy. You can use it to collaborate, to do work within teams. Okay, so I can say okay, I want this person to be a commenter, so I can click here, click commenter, or I want this person to be an editor, anyone. Okay, let's say I want this person to be a viewer. Let me start with viewer. Okay, can you see the next one? It say notify people. It means that they are going to send email to this person. Okay, this person is going to receive two things. When the person that owns this email opens his Google Drive, is going to go over to share and see what I have shared to him. Okay, and not just that, he or she will also receive an email address that I shared something to him. Okay, so being that I check this thing, notify people, if I don't want Google to notify the person, I will uncheck this thing. Okay, but I want him to be notified, so I click this. Okay, then so that is it. Okay, so that is it. So here now is sending. I can click on that part. It will send the file to the person. Okay, it say access updated. Remember, I make the person to be a viewer. Sorry guys, the email address I use is even the one that I'm in, but there is no problem. So I can go over to shared with me. Once it comes in, oh, this thing is okay. Can you see I've received an email? Can you see now it says document shared with you. Let me open the email very well. Can you see now it says document shared with you. The title of the document is application testing. Can you see? Chinechem Epiphania shared a document. Can you see it says Chinechem Epiphania? Okay, this is the email. This is the email. The fortunate thing here is that I use the same email to send the same email. That is it. But let's continue, guys. Okay, can you see I say this email with the name, it say has invited you to view the following document. So you can come down here and click on open. Okay, so this particular person had to view this following stuffs. Okay, the person are permitted to view, he or she is not permitted to edit. But guys, I made a mistake here. What I should have done is I should have used a different email, but I went and used the same email that I'm on. Okay, so let's try it again. I'll send it, but now I'm not going to make it to be a viewer, I'm going to make it to be a commenter. Okay, so let me use a different email address. Okay, so I want this person now to be a commenter. I'll click on commenter, click on send. Okay, something has been shared. Can you see this is my drive? This is actually my drive. I'm still going to open drive so that people are going to see it. Okay, it's coming up. That is my drive. Okay, I decide to open my email so that you can see it more. Can you see it now? This is my email. Can you see? Let me open it very well. Say Chinechelem Epiphanian shared a document. Say Chinechelem Epiphanian. Then this is the email that I used. Has invited you to comment on the following document. So I said that this person can comment. So if I open it now, I say this person don't need to only I select the email that I want to open it with. Okay, I say I don't want this person to just view it alone, I want this person to also comment. Okay, so can you see a boss here? Can you see a boss there too? So if the person is giving access to edit, what you're going to see is something like a pencil. Okay, a box with a pencil, but this one can you see is just you are seeing something like a message box here. So if I click here, can you see say suggesting only? I can say okay, I can come here and say remove font. I say remove font. Guys, we are going to be fast now. Maybe I'll come here and say add bold. Add bold. When I'm through, I'll just click on top here. Okay, I just click there and close it. Can you see now? So I will still show you this thing now because I told you that once anybody shared you something, you're going to receive it as an email because the person, I'm the one that sent it, right? So I selected that I want the person to be notified on his or her email. So this is what we just did now. But apart from it, if I did not check that notification, email notification, the person can check his or her drive. Every phone comes with a drive. Once you get a phone, this is drive, you open it. Once you open it, make sure you use the email address. So this is the email address. Can you see now? Under shared, can you see shared below? Okay, once I am on shared, I'm going to see a lot of things that were shared to me. Okay, these are the things that were shared to me. So today, can you see today up here? So this is the thing that was shared to me now. I will open it. Can you see? Can you see now? So it's either the person open it through email. If you allowed Google to send to notify the person on their email, the person will receive an email about what you shared to him or her. But if you do not share that notification box, it's over, the person have to go to his drive like I just did now and then open what you sent to her. Okay, can you see? I'll just go back. Can you see? Then it's over that I was asked to edit. I was asked to comment. I was not asked to edit. Can you see on up above here say comment only? So I have commented this one. I've also commented here. So I say add both here. So that is it. So I have to go back now. So let's open with the main email. Let's now open with the main email. So I'll come back here, come back to our stuffs. Okay, I'll open this file. I just refreshed it right now. Can you see what happened, guys? This is me, the owner of this file. Can you see? So I send this document to another person, maybe one of my team member, to comment something. Okay, this person said I should remove the font I added here. Then he said I should add bold to my name. Okay, so I can say okay, there is no problem. Oh, I'll come here under editing. I can just click here. Okay, if I want this write up that he or she have written down here to be there, I can click this pause. I can say, can you see now? It says suggestion accepted. Can you see now? This text now has been added. This one too, if I want this both text to be labeled, I say no, why are you telling me to add both here? Why are you writing this here? I don't want this thing to be. I can click on this box. It will be removed. If I actually made mistake removing it, I can click on undo, then it will come back. So guys, can you see now? Okay, so this is it. I have the right to add it, but remember what he or she tells me to do here is they say I should remove font, right? Means that I have to edit like this and then remove the font that I added to this and not to add the write-up. But even if the person did not let's say for example now under commenting, I write the name of the person now instead of it to just be there, sir. I say okay, under commenting I write Emeka here. Okay, that was when I will just check the it, then Emeka will be added in real time. Okay, but here what I did under comment is that I just wrote down an action that should be taken, okay, which is to remove font. So I will still have to delete the write up from the commenter and then apply the action that he or she has written down, okay, for me to do. So guys, I believe you understand all this, right? So that is it. That is really a good thing that you can do with your phone. Just with your phone you can still work hand to hand. And one of the best thing about this Google Doc is that it has a cloud-based storage, that even if you lost your phone, you can still you can still use another person's phone, log into your email and then access those files that you saved in your Google. Okay, so there are things that many people have been doing with Google Doc and even Google Drive. Many people so will come here under their Google Drive and they will save something. They will save something on their Google Drive. Okay, so we just add stuffs on their Google Drive. So in the next video I'm going to show you how you can upload stuffs on your Google Drive. You can save your confidential documents on your Google Drive. You can save a lot of things, all these your certificates, your international passport, a lot of things. You can save your course as a digital creator. You can record a course. After recording it, instead of you uploading it on YouTube, you can just save it up, upload it on your Google Doc and then make it to be permanent there. Okay, because on YouTube something might happen, maybe YouTube may block or terminate your account and you lose all the videos that you have recorded. Okay, so these are amazing things. So in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how you can upload a file in Google Drive. I'll kindly smash the subscription button right now and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Like, comment and share this video.